This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Julie Swinger. Wow! You don't want to miss this adorable home in a great location. This 3-bedroom home offers a spacious main living area, dining area, and bright kitchen with a large pantry/laundry room. Move-in ready. The whole home was recently painted and brand new floors installed on main floor as well as new carpet upstairs. Upstairs you will find a spacious loft, large master bedroom and ensuite with a huge walk-in closet. You will also find the 2 secondary bedrooms and full bathroom. Fenced-in backyard and patio area. 2-car garage. This home is minutes away from everything North Charlotte has to offer, including a huge shopping center, 485, 77 and an easy commute to UNC Charlotte or Uptown.